Okay, so today we're going to look at something called tapering. So tapering is shaving off a bit of your material. So we've got basically a handle here that we're making for a hammer. So if I draw this, it's circular because it talks about radius, so it's more of cylindrical. So the original material is like a cylinder or something like this. And so might like a dowel, we'd sometimes call it. And so what you're going to do is shave off a bit of it and shave off a bit of it on your machine so that this end piece on the right, all it's doing is that's the part that goes in the metal part of the hammer. So what you're going to do is let's label this now. So we've got radius, so radius being from one end to the middle, and then we've got the length of it. So that's like from here to here. So we're saying that the radius is 1 inch. So I can do double tick for inches. And then the length is 10 inches. And we're trying to figure out how much to shave off. So this vertical angle right here. So we'll call that theta for angle. So if you remember, rise over run, our radius is basically our rise and our run is the length of the handle. The other way you might have been taught is opposite over adjacent. So you can write that as well too. It's the same thing. So opposite from the angle is this side and adjacent beside is this side. So we're doing the tan theta. We're solving for the angle theta. If you want to do capital A for angle, no problem. And it's rise over run or opposite over adjacent. And so your numbers are 1 over 10. So now we're doing basically what we were doing in set B. We have to solve for the angle. So you're going to do tan inverse of 1 over 10. And so depending on your calculator, you can do punch that in one line, or if you need to, you may need to actually do the division. So 1 divided by 10 is just 0.1. And then you can just punch that in your calculator. Tan inverse, remember that's going to be like shift or second function, tan with a zero point 0.1. And you're going to get about 5.7 degrees. So that's approximately 6 degrees.